welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing my makeup, and I'm going to be doing like a get ready with me. I asked a couple questions on Instagram and a lot of you guys gave me a good couple stuff to talk about, so that's what we are going to do. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Suaad. Make sure that you follow and subscribe. If there's any type of videos that you guys want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure that you follow me on my socials so you guys can take part in these questions. It'll be down below here as well. But with no further ado, let's get into the video. So since the winter, my face is been breaking out. I don't know if it's the mask that I wear every day, but literally like I have like all these breakouts like on my chin here and like here on these sides, and it's literally getting so bad. I don't know what to do. If you guys have any ideas what I can do, that, you know, I'm still wearing mask but I can do something to the mask, then let me know, because my face is moving mad. So I've been trying out this new cream, this one. I know it's a hand cream, but my other one finished, so we're just gonna use this one. It's nice and thick, so I just put that all over my face. Then I like to use a fix spray kind of thing, but this one is a vitamin E or vitamin C spray, so this is the one that I use. While that is drying, let me see what the first question is. Are you working at the moment? I am currently working, thank God. I found a job back in September, alhamdulillah. So I started working for the NHS. So I'm working for 111, where you deal with like non-emergency phone calls and you deal with patients, you help them out, you send them to the best service ever. My other job, I was let go due to the pandemic. That not working from like March till September. I was literally at home doing nothing. For my eyebrows, I like to use a pencil. I need to get a new one because it's literally finishing. And then I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color ebony. So the next thing that someone asked is how do I deal with my finances and how do I save money? You know what, before the lockdown I would say I was really good with money, but since lockdown started, I don't know what it is, but all I'm doing is ordering clothes. I'm literally buying new stuff every day with money that I don't even have. What I do is I move some money straight into my savings, and that way I know that I won't be touching that. So on Monzo you're able to have, you can lock a pot. So what I did is I locked a pot for a year or two so that I'm able to save enough money and put enough money in that I know I won't take out. So that's what I've been trying to do, so hopefully that works out for me. Guys, it's so annoying, my eyebrows always take the longest to do. Sometimes they don't even turn out how I want them to turn out. So the next question says, what did you study at uni and what is your dream job? So my dream job always been to get into, why is there hair on me? And be involved in politics, or to be involved in like crime prevention. So hopefully I'm able to find a job in that and then work my way up. Hopefully that's what I'm trying to do anyway. You know, that's why like my job before, I was working in legal aid. So I was working with like the police, and I was working with like lawyers, so that one was really fun. I did international relations at uni, and then I did my masters in what did I do my masters in? I did it in terrorism and political violence. So yeah, I just really want to get into that, or hopefully maybe even get into like the Home Office and work within anti-terrorism. So to carve my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is the colour Fawn. I haven't used this in a long time, so I'm gonna try and see how this works out, because I've been using all these other ones, so I really want to see if I still love this. Anyway guys, so while I blend this in, I got a lot of questions about my love life, like who am I seeing, like am I planning to get married, what is going on, blah blah blah. Like, I feel like at the end of the day, God knows best, so I'm not like rushing anything, or you know, so you know, when God thinks I'm ready to like get married, or like, you know, or have someone in my life, then obviously God would show me the way. So at the moment I'm literally just doing me, enjoying my own time, and I don't want to like be rushing into anything. I just want to take my time. So if the time is right and I feel comfortable sharing with you guys that I'm seeing someone, or that I'm talking to someone, or that I'm like getting married, then I'll let you guys know. But for now, zero, like Sahara Desert up in here. And to quickly set my eyebrows, I'm using this brow gel from where is it from Collection. So the next question that we're going to answer is, someone said, is there anything in your life that you regret? Growing up, I always promised myself that I would never regret anything that I do in life. I always tell my friends as well, don't ever regret anything that you do, because you wanted to do it at that specific moment. So everything I do, I make sure that I'm 100% in it, that I want to do it, that like my heart is set on it. Otherwise I'm not going to do it, because I don't want to wake up in the middle of the night and be like, oh my god, why the hell did I do that, you know? So I do everything, and even if after I feel bad, I'm like, okay, listen, when you was in the moment, you like to do it, so why are you stepping out of it now, you know? So I try to always tell myself never to regret anything, because you're gonna put yourself in like a doubt, and you're always gonna like think about it, you're always gonna like replay it in my mind. I have no time for that. Like, I'm already stressed up in here, I don't need more stress, you know? So the next thing that I'm going to be using is the P. Louise base. I got this one. What colour did I even get? I got the number 4. And that's going to go straight on to the lid. I saw it in, I found this during lockdown. Someone told me about it, and then it was on sale. So I obviously ran and decided to buy one. So it was like £5, so I thought, why not try it out, you know? So and I actually love it, because it actually sets my eyelids. It actually sets my eyelid properly, and then any base that I put on top literally works so well. I haven't been like doing makeup for the longest, because I don't know, since the lockdown I literally been so lazy. So we're gonna set the eye with the MUA Pro Base. And so the next question says, where do you get your inspo for fashion from? You know what, yeah, growing up I was never into getting dressed or like anything, because I was the biggest tomboy that was around. So growing up I was like, all I did was play football, whatever, go about my day. Like year 10, I started experimenting with like makeup and stuff, and I was like, clothes wasn't really my thing. Growing up I just became more and more aware of how I dress and like what I wear. So I get my inspiration, or like my inspo, from like Pinterest, or I would get it from like other Instagram accounts, or sometimes it would just come to my head, like, okay, this is what I want to, and then I'll just wear that. But mostly I just look at Pinterest and like other Instagram pages. So the next question asks, how did I learn to do makeup? Growing up, my mum never allowed me to wear makeup, number one. she was against the whole thing. Like all she used to allow me is like liquid line or something, but nothing to like put on my face or anything like that. So I think I started wearing makeup properly when I think uni. Like literally I think I bought my first foundation when I got into uni, literally, which was like the MAC foundation. So I was not allowed to wear makeup till I was 18. So I was feeling insecure, and then I used to like always wear makeup, like even if when I was going to the corner shop, like. But I feel like that was at age where I wasn't sure what I was trying to do or where I was trying to go in life, so I just was kind of lost in the sauce, let's just say. So the foundation that we are going to use is the Fenty Beauty. Next person asked, how are you coping in lockdown? I think this lockdown, because I'm working, I feel like it's a little bit more easier, because I'm able to like leave my house and still go about my day kind of thing, because I'm still going to work and stuff. It was so much more harder in the first lockdown, honestly, because there was nothing to do. Like all I was doing is I just came back from LA back then. Literally I came back on the day of lockdown, the first lockdown. I came back in the morning of the 23rd, and then like that night we went into lockdown. It was hard at first, trying to like adjust to this new like living. And I hope all of you guys like being well and been looking after your family and your friends, and like been checking up on each other, because there's like a lot of people that are like stressing out. So for concealer, I like to go a bit lighter than very light probably, and this is the one that I'm going to use. It's the Maybelline Fit Me. Do you open your own business, or would you start your own business? I have been thinking about that. So look how like bright it looks. Yeah, I've been thinking about starting something, but like I'm trying to find what is worth starting. I'm a lazy person, so me just running into something is not a great idea. So what I'm trying to do is work out my options and see how dedicated I actually am with it, because starting a business is not that easy. So I'm literally just trying to find all my options and then hopefully go from there. Like, so the next question said, how did you deal with like feeling anxious and getting anxiety or depression during lockdown? I literally try to stay in connection with like my family, my friends, like try to speak to them all the time and stuff like that, just to keep my mind busy really. I used to go on like walks with my siblings and stuff like that, just to make sure that I'm keeping my mind sane. For blush, I'm using the MAC Raisin. You know, I feel so different putting makeup on, because I don't know, man, I don't remember the last time that I actually put any makeup on. So literally like, it's at the moment 7 o'clock. Where am I going to go with this face? Nowhere. Literally just gonna sit here, take pictures and go back to bed. So let's appreciate this, okay? For highlighter, I'm going to be using this one, and then I really like the top color, so that's the one we're going for. The lashes that I'm going to wear today are these. Lashes are the first time that I'm wearing them, and they look humongous. Like, I don't know, look how it covers my whole eye. So the first thing for my lips that I'm going to use is this MAC lipstick. Is about to finish. I like to use this NARS like pinky lip, and then I'm going to put that in the middle. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope I answered the questions right. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and if you want to follow me on my socials, I'll put it in the description bar below so you guys can follow me on my socials. But I'll see you guys in my next video.